Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by picking the right images and freeing up space on your home screen. Choose photos that frame well at square or rectangle crops. Portrait shots can crop unexpectedly. Once done, create a dedicated album called Widgets so you can find images quickly. Next, long press any app to enter jiggle mode and make room for a widget by moving icons. This gets you out of setup limbo and into the actual widget creation step without wasting time on settings menu. Now add the widget itself. Tap the plus at the top left in jiggle mode and choose the Photos widget or a third-party app for more control. Pick a size. Small shows one image, medium cycles more, large gives a collage. This matters for composition. Once selected, set the widget to use your Widgets album or pick individual photos if the app allows it. Make sure to position the widget where the crop looks best, because different sizes display different parts of each photo. Finish by tapping Done and exiting jiggle mode to see the widget live. You should see your chosen images appear or cycle. If images are missing or not updating, make sure Photos has permission, check that the album is synced to iCloud, and restart the device if needed. Once done, consider a third-party widget app for custom layouts, manual selection, or shuffle intervals. If a widget glitches, remove it and re-add. This often clears cached display issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.